All right, here we go again. We're back on the clear ice endeavor. This is going to be round 2, technically 3, but we're not counting that first one. So after reading and researching some other blogs and some viewers had mentioned something about doing something different, so we're going to give it a try and see what we come up with. Dave, thanks for the suggestion, and let's see what we got. The other suggestion was getting a reversed osmosis system for my water, and well, right now, I mean, that's a little out of my budget, but let's see what this does. So what we came up with is I went out and got a smaller cooler today, so it's not as big. We're going to try the silicone cubes again, and so what you're supposed to do is put it in the bottom of the cooler, and then you take and fill that full of water, and we'll go ahead and do that. We'll fill the silicone mold up. Alrighty. And then once you get them full, and then you fill up around the cooler, you fill up the cooler around the silicone mold. And so once we get this where it needs to be, and what we'll do is we'll put it in the deep freezer. We'll put it in the deep freezer for, I guess, about 11 hours. We'll see what we come up with. All right. So look forward to seeing what we have here. That's about full enough there. So it just comes right to the top of the edge of the molds. So stay tuned. We'll be back tomorrow and show you what our results are. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Okay, so here we are. We're back again. I actually let the ice sit a little bit longer than 11 hours. After 11 hours, it still wasn't frozen. I think one of the key things too is it is a cooler, and I left the lid down, which didn't allow cold air to get in there. Because what is a cooler? It insulates and keeps things cold or keeps things warm. So anyway, so I got my cooler here. We're going to take a look inside, and if you look inside, it's pretty solid. And if you're looking at the ice cubes that are in the in the mold, it looked pretty darn clear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of hot water, just a little bit, just to kind of help maybe loosen up the sides so that we can pull the mold out. I'm gonna move that around just a little bit. And actually you can hear the ice popping and cracking. Maybe just a little bit more. But so far, I mean, it looks pretty good. So, but I'm gonna give this a couple more minutes here to set up and to where we can pull this ice out, because it's not wanting to come out. So I'll be right back with you. Well, let's just say that was easier said than done. Trying to get that block of ice out of the cooler was not the easiest thing to do. So I don't know. We'll see what kind of ice we have. Here's the block with the mold in it. May have to take a little hammer, and we'll have to maybe chisel it away just a little bit. A little trusty butter knife. And once you get it out, I mean, it seems to come apart pretty easily. But I'm interested in seeing what the quality of ice looks like. Oh, it pops out real easy. And here's the ice. It's actually, if you look, it looks pretty clear. I give it a nice little cold bath here just to see what it's going to look like. Of course, I'll probably shatter it like I did the other. But not 100% clear. Again, I used just regular tap water for this demonstration. So maybe using filtered water may work a little bit better. It looks like there's a lot of crystallization and stuff at the bottom. But anyways, I mean, it'll serve its purpose. You know, it cools your drink down. But anyways, there it is. Enjoy.